Do you wake up thinking your breakfast is helping you stay healthy but still feel drained, bloated, or waking up twice a night to pee? You're not alone. Millions of men over 60 are unknowingly sabotaging their blood flow, hormones, and prostate health, starting with one innocent-looking breakfast mistake. It's not junk food, it's not fast food, it's what you think is healthy, oatmeal and blueberries. But together, they may be the worst combo to start your day after 60. I'm Dr. Nash, men's health expert for over 30 years, and today I'll show you 3 simple fixes to restore your morning energy, protect your prostate, and stabilize your blood sugar. Stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal the one bedtime spoonful that works while you sleep. Let's get started.
Let me ask you something I hear almost daily in my clinic. Dr. Nash, I eat clean. I start my mornings with oatmeal and a handful of blueberries. Why do I still feel sluggish by 10 a.m.? Why is my energy fading? Why am I waking up at night to pee? Sound familiar? Here's the truth no one tells you after 60. Healthy foods can turn into the wrong fuel, depending on how you combine them. Why this healthy combo backfires after 60? Yes, blueberries are rich in antioxidants. Yes, oatmeal is a whole grain. But here's the catch. Aging changes how your body handles sugar and carbs. Blueberries contain natural sugar, fructose, and oatmeal is mostly starch. Together, they create a high glycemic combo that spikes your blood sugar. That spike leads to a fast insulin release to a crash a few hours later. This blood sugar roller coaster weakens your testosterone, nitric oxide, and mental clarity. According to a study published in Diabetes Care, older adults who consumed high-carb breakfasts showed a 43% drop in endothelial function within an hour. What does that mean? Your blood vessels narrow and circulation slows, especially to the areas you care about most. Consequences if left unchecked. If you keep starting your day this way, over time you may notice declining morning energy, prostate congestion or urinary urgency, brain fog, memory lapses, and even reduced bedroom performance. The most common mistake I see: men think, it's healthy, so it must be good for me. But not all health food works the same after 60. What your body really needs is blood sugar stability and nitric oxide support first thing in the morning. Simple swap. Here's an easy fix. Still want oatmeal? Use steel-cut oats soaked overnight. Add a spoonful of chia or pumpkin seeds, a boiled egg, and save the blueberries for mid-morning, paired with some protein or healthy fat. This way, you protect your testosterone, keep your blood sugar balanced, and support blood flow naturally. It's not just what you eat, it's how you time it that matters.
Let me ask you something straight up. Do you still feel strong in the mornings? Or do you wake up with less drive, less firmness, and more frustration than you'd like to admit? If you're over 60, you're not imagining things. What you eat in the first hour of your day can either support your manhood or slowly choke it off. The circulation trap most men miss. After 60, your blood vessels become more sensitive to what you feed them. That means foods that once gave you energy now block nitric oxide, the molecule that opens up your arteries, especially the ones down there. Here's the mistake I see over and over again. Men start the day with a carb-heavy breakfast. Oatmeal, toast, fruit juice. These meals spike blood sugar, trigger insulin. Insulin suppresses testosterone production and decreases nitric oxide. The result? Tighter vessels, sluggish blood flow, weaker erections. A study from Harvard Health notes that endothelial function, your blood vessel flexibility, declines with age, and high-carb meals can accelerate that decline by as much as 30 to 40% post-meal. So even if you're eating clean, if you're skipping protein and healthy fats, you're working against your own biology. Common misconception. Most men think, as long as I avoid junk food, I'm good. But it's not just what you eat, it's how that food affects your hormones and circulation as you age. Oatmeal and fruit without fat or protein may seem heart-healthy, but for men over 60, that combo can leave your body inflamed, insulin-spiked, and hormonally flatlined. Morning circulation tip. Want better blood flow? Eat like you're fueling your arteries. Add a handful of walnuts or chia seeds to your oatmeal. Include 1 boiled egg or a scoop of collagen protein. Skip sugary drinks. Go with lemon water or black coffee instead. These changes stabilize your blood sugar, protect nitric oxide, and support morning vitality, where it counts. It's a small shift that pays off big in energy, confidence, and performance.
Have you been waking up more often at night to pee? Feel a constant pressure or discomfort in your lower belly? Or maybe it's just that lingering sense that something isn't right down there. For many men over 60, these are early signs of chronic prostatitis, and one of the hidden culprits may be sitting in your breakfast bowl. How oatmeal triggers the problem. Now, don't get me wrong, oatmeal has its place. But eaten the wrong way, especially first thing in the morning, it can fuel inflammation in ways most men don't expect. Here's what's happening. Oatmeal is high in simple carbohydrates, which quickly break down into sugar. That sugar spike increases inflammatory markers like IL-6 and TNF-alpha. At the same time, most men are dehydrated and sedentary in the mornings. The result? Fluid buildup and poor lymphatic drainage around the prostate. In fact, a 2020 study published in the Journal of Urology found that men over 60 who ate high-carb breakfasts were 32% more likely to report symptoms of pelvic pain, prostate pressure, and nighttime urination. The long-term consequences? If this goes unchecked, you might experience frequent urination, especially at night, pelvic discomfort or pressure, lower energy levels, even emotional symptoms like irritability or anxiety. This isn't just a getting older thing. It's your body responding to chronic inflammation, and you can absolutely do something about it. Common mistake I hear all the time. Most men say, "But doc, I thought oatmeal was good for my heart." It can be. But for older men, context is everything. If you're starting your day with sugar and starch, without balancing protein, fat, or hydration, you're creating a storm of inflammation. Morning fix for prostate support. Start simple. Drink a warm glass of lemon water before coffee. Eat a handful of almonds or 1 boiled egg. Save your oatmeal or your blueberries for later in the day, paired with protein. It's not about cutting things out. It's about timing and balance. The real key is to feeling better at any age. Quick pause here. I know it's a lot, but I want you to hear this. You're not doing anything wrong. You've just been told the wrong things for years. No one's blaming the oatmeal or the blueberries. It's about how and when you eat them, especially as your body changes with age. Let's keep going, because the next segment could literally help you sleep better tonight.
Let me ask you something simple but important. Are you waking up once, twice, maybe even 3 times a night to pee? Or maybe you fall asleep just fine, but by 3 a.m. you're staring at the ceiling, wide awake, wondering why your body feels wired but tired? If this sounds familiar, your morning routine may be to blame, not your age. The morning-evening connection most men miss. See, your body runs on a 24-hour rhythm called the circadian cycle. That rhythm controls your cortisol, your alertness hormone, testosterone, melatonin, and even how well your bladder holds fluid overnight.
Now, here's where the problem starts. You wake up and eat a high-sugar, carb-heavy breakfast. Oatmeal, toast, fruit juice. Your blood sugar spikes. Cortisol becomes unstable. That spike is followed by a crash around midday. By nighttime, your melatonin is low, testosterone is off, and your bladder? Overactive. According to the Cleveland Clinic, unstable blood sugar and poor cortisol regulation in the morning can lead to higher nighttime urination, nocturia, poor sleep quality, and low testosterone production at night. Consequences if you don't fix it. Left unchecked, this pattern leads to poor sleep, reduced libido, weakened muscle recovery, morning fatigue, and even memory problems over time. You're not just losing sleep, you're losing hormonal balance. The mistake most men make. Many older men tell me, I thought eating light and healthy in the morning was better. I don't want anything heavy. But light doesn't always mean right. If your morning meal is mostly sugar or starch, you're setting off a hormone chain reaction that can wreck your evening recovery. Simple hormonal reset. Here's my advice. Start your day with hydration, lemon water or mineral water. Eat low GI, high protein foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie. Add healthy fats. Think walnuts, chia seeds, or half an avocado. Save fruit or carbs for later in the day when your body can handle it better. Small tweaks in the morning lead to big results by night. Trust your rhythm and fuel it right.
Have you been eating healthy but still feel tired by mid-morning, sluggish after lunch, and frustrated with your energy or performance at night? You're not alone. Many men over 60 do their best. They ditch the donuts, pour a bowl of oatmeal, throw in some blueberries, and hope it helps their heart and hormones. But here's the kicker. That heart-healthy breakfast may be holding you back. The breakfast that backfires. Plain oatmeal plus fruit might sound like a good start, but for aging male physiology, it's missing key ingredients that your body needs, and loaded with ones you should avoid. Oatmeal is a high glycemic grain. It spikes your blood sugar fast. Blueberries, while antioxidant-rich, contain natural sugars that add to the spike. That insulin surge leads to a crash, sapping your energy, lowering testosterone, and impairing circulation. In fact, a study in diabetes care showed that high-carb breakfasts can reduce blood vessel flexibility by 43% in older adults, which is a major factor in both erectile function and heart health. What happens if you don't adjust? Ignore this, and you may notice sluggish energy throughout the day, mood swings, brain fog, nighttime urination from prostate swelling, poor recovery, and reduced drive. And worst of all, you might blame aging, when really, it's just poor fuel timing. The common mistake. Most men think oatmeal is good for cholesterol, right? Yes, but only when balanced with protein and fat to blunt the sugar spike and support hormone function. Smart breakfast swaps. Here's what I recommend instead. Soaked steel-cut oats plus Greek yogurt plus pumpkin seeds. Homemade chia flax blend plus collagen protein. Add avocado, nut butter, and a scoop of protein. These swaps reduce insulin spikes, fuel nitric oxide, and support prostate drainage, so you feel better, stay focused, and protect your vitality long-term. Simple choices, powerful results. Let's make breakfast work for you, not against you.
The truth is, aging doesn't take your strength. It just demands more wisdom in how you use it. And today, you've learned one of the most overlooked ways to stay strong and energized. Timing matters, especially in the first hour of your day. We looked at how the wrong breakfast, even one that sounds healthy, can sabotage your blood flow, spike your sugar, and throw your hormones off balance. But the solution? It's surprisingly simple. Add protein and healthy fat to your mornings. Avoid sugar-loaded or carb-heavy meals on an empty stomach. Prioritize foods that support circulation and testosterone, not just your cholesterol. Here's a small challenge. Tomorrow morning, fuel your body like it deserves to be supported. Try a boiled egg, some soaked oats with pumpkin seeds, or even a scoop of collagen in your smoothie. Nothing extreme, just smarter choices made with intention. And if you slip up, that's all right. This isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. The men I see make the biggest changes aren't the ones who go all in overnight. They're the ones who keep showing up for themselves, one small step at a time. You've already started, and that means you're further ahead than most. This is just one part of the bigger picture, and I'll be here to walk you through it. Or, as I like to say, getting older isn't the end, it's the start of a wiser, healthier chapter. If that was helpful, wait till you see what I cover next. There's more coming soon, and it could change how you think about aging. I'll be sharing more tips like this every week. Don't miss out. And hey, if today's message resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a fellow man who needs to hear it. You're not doing this alone. And your best days, they're not behind you. They're right ahead.